The Total Money Makeover, Classic Edition by Dave Ramsey is a comprehensive guide to achieving financial fitness and stability through a step-by-step plan. Drawing from his own experiences and success as a financial counselor, Ramsey provides readers with practical advice, personal anecdotes, and proven strategies to help them take control of their finances, eliminate debt, and build wealth. At the heart of the book is the concept of the money makeover, a transformational process that helps individuals rethink their financial habits and attitudes, and adopt a more disciplined and goal-oriented approach to managing their money. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of taking personal responsibility for one's financial situation and making a commitment to change. He provides a clear and easy-to-follow blueprint for achieving financial fitness, based on a series of baby steps that guide readers through the process of establishing a solid financial foundation, paying off debt, and ultimately building wealth. The first step in the Total Money Makeover plan is to create a $1,000 emergency fund. This fund acts as a financial safety net for unexpected expenses, such as car repairs or medical bills, and prevents the need for relying on credit cards or loans in times of crisis. Ramsey stresses the importance of having this emergency fund in place before moving on to the next steps in the plan. Next, the book focuses on eliminating debt using the debt snowball method. This involves listing all debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates, and making minimum payments on all debts, except for the smallest one. The smallest debt is then aggressively paid off, and once it is eliminated, the money that was being put towards that debt is applied to the next smallest debt, creating a snowball effect. Ramsey argues that this approach provides the motivation and momentum needed to eliminate debt more quickly and efficiently than other methods, such as paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. Once all non-mortgage debt is eliminated, the Total Money Makeover plan shifts its focus to building long-term financial security. This involves increasing the emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses, which provides a greater sense of financial stability and peace of mind. With a fully funded emergency fund in place, Ramsey encourages readers to start investing in their retirement, children's college funds, and paying off their mortgage early. The final stage of the Total Money Makeover plan involves building wealth through smart investing and giving back to others. Ramsey provides guidance on investing in mutual funds, real estate, and small businesses, and encourages readers to adopt a long-term perspective on wealth building, focusing on consistent saving and investing rather than trying to get rich quick. Additionally, he emphasizes the importance of generosity and giving back to others as a key component of achieving true financial success and fulfillment. Throughout the book, Ramsey shares real-life success stories from individuals and families who have followed the Total Money Makeover plan and achieved remarkable results. These stories serve to inspire and motivate readers to take action and commit to transforming their own financial lives. In summary, the Total Money Makeover Classic Edition is a comprehensive and practical guide to achieving financial fitness and stability through a proven step-by-step plan. Author Dave Ramsey provides readers with the tools, strategies, and motivation needed to take control of their finances, eliminate debt, and build wealth, offering a clear and accessible blueprint for lasting financial success. The book serves as a valuable resource for anyone seeking to improve their financial situation and achieve lasting financial freedom.